Look at this. Look how nice and wet that looks. Huge portions. Look at that. Next up, I got the banana pudding. All right, what is going on, guys? It's Mark here, and today we're here at Ellie's Cakes. We're gonna go try out the entire menu. We got one of everything. I love dessert. I just try not to eat it all the time, so we're gonna give it a shot. Let's go. Oh yeah, what is this? This is the banana and the...
Ajá, esto es plátano con fruta y piña colada.
Okay. This looks really refreshing. Okay, so we got some agua frescas cremosas. That's what it says on the menu. This is the piña colada one. This one looks really good. That's definitely fresh. Yeah, I taste the coconut. It tastes like, it's coconut, right? In piña colada, the coconut and the cream. I don't know what kind of cream is in there, but I definitely taste it. Really refreshing. You get a hint of the pineapple. That is good. That's bomb. Is that everything? Say hey.
Hi.
This is the owner right here, owner and operator. Oh yeah, this looks crazy.
Okay.
Oh yeah, we tried the pina colada one already. That shit is all
You
good.
like it?
Yeah.
Awesome.
All right, thank you.
No problem. Thank you, guys. I hope you like everything.
Oh, we will.
Bye. Thank
Bye.
you so much.
All right, I'm gonna go ahead and taste the banana and fruit one. Oh my god, that is so good. Really? It's a licuado, you know. Well, I grew up drinking licuado. Mom would just put bananas and milk in the blender. This tastes just like that. This is, oh my, yeah, this is my favorite. We got one of everything. Look how big these things are. She gave us like half a cake. This is the fresas con crema right here. Strawberries and cream. I've never had this before. Ooh, look at this. Look how nice and wet that looks. That's the coconut cream one. It looks like coconut with the tres leches. Look at that. We also got cheesecake. Look at that.
No.
We got the esquite, or Mexican street corn for you people out there that don't speak Spanish. All right, so we're gonna do this video in the car at the parking lot because we don't have anywhere to go right now. But
It's too cold.
it is freezing. We can't go to a park or anywhere. I'm not going home because it's gonna start melting and stuff like that. That looks so creamy. I mean, I like the strawberries, but let me get another taste of this cream. All right, I'm not gonna lie, I like the strawberries, but the cream, I got like a hint of like cheese, like actual cheese. But I guess it makes sense because it's like, you know, cream. This is good though. All right, next up I got the banana pudding. I'm not a fan of banana pudding, but I'm gonna taste it. Okay. Yeah, those vanilla wafers are really good. And it's like cream again, but way better. It doesn't have that hint of sour cream. Yeah. This is actually really good.
This is so good. I love fresas con crema.
Wow, I actually like this. This is the only banana pudding I actually like. I've had banana pudding in other places and I was not a fan of it, but this is actually really good.
You know which one?
Yeah, this shit is delicious. The cookies are still nice and crunchy. Yeah, all this was made like fresh. It wasn't just sitting around. You can tell because the cookies are still crunchy. And let's give the cheesecake a shot. Yeah, this looks so good. Look at that. That is so, like, it has a nice tang to it, the actual cheesecake. And then that little jelly on top. We all had cheesecake. This is really fucking delicious. I need to stop though. I need to stop eating it. We got other cakes to try. Perfect cheesecake. All right, next up we got this huge cake. I don't even know what is it. What is it? Oh, just a choco flan. What kind of is this? Chocolate icing? Fuck it, I'm gonna get everything. It's so wet. That's just how I like it though. This is really good. So flan is like custard, and then it's got the chocolate cake, and we got vanilla, and it's all moist, like 3 milks in it: condensed milk, evaporated milk, I think, and anyways, and whole milk. It's just a bunch of milks. It's really wet. It's delicious. I don't like dry cake, so this is amazing. Next up, we got the coconut cake. Look at that. It's basically the same kind of cake that it's leches, but with coconut and whipped cream in the middle and a strawberry. I like coconut, so I already know this is gonna be good. Hear that? This is wet. Mmm. Yeah, I'm gonna get some of that coconut. Those flakes right there. And some more cake. Yeah, my back is gonna be huge. Last we got the corn. I'm kind of scared to try it. It's hot. Is it supposed to be hot?
It's supposed to be warm.
Really?
Yes.
All right, next up we got the esquite right here. This is corn, mayonnaise, cheese, tahini. I think there's tahini in here. And I don't know, but I am not a fan of this. Like, I've had it in other places and I just don't like it, but I'm going to give it a shot regardless. It's just... It smells good. I mean, I love mayonnaise, so it smells good. I'm kind of scared. Look at that. All right. I need to stop being a little punk. Here's to trying, giving things another chance. Mm-mm. Yeah, it's gonna be a no for me. I just don't like corn. Like, I mean, I like corn tortillas. I like, I like everything else with corn except actual corn kernels like this. Not a big fan of it. Still though, it's good if you like corn, you're gonna like this. All right, guys, that's gonna do it for this taste test. Just gave everything a shot. Everything was really good except I was not a fan of the corn. That's just because I don't like whole corn kernels like that. But everything else was really good. Definitely come check her out. She needs a bakery because everything was so good. Like, she definitely needs a whole bakery to herself. Because right now she's selling out of this little trailer. But yeah, I gotta wash all this down with this pina colada. All right, guys, make sure to drop a like, comment, subscribe. Go check her out. I'm gonna put her Facebook right here. Go give it a shot. Let me know what you think. Peace out.